how to change username on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your username on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to change your username on Facebook, go and open the Facebook application here. Once you launch the Facebook app, make sure to tap the three lines option located at the top right. If you are on iPhone, you will find that option from the bottom right. Now you want to make sure to tap the little gear icon, which is also the settings cog icon here. As you tap on that icon, go to the See More in Account Center tab. When you go to Account Center tab, you'll be able to find the option called Profiles. Tap on it, then tap on your Facebook account. Then all you have to do is tap on Username. Once you do that, you can simply enter the new username that you want to change to, and then when you tap this done option here, your username will get successfully changed. Similarly, if you want to change the name and so on, you can do so right from here as well. This way you'll be able to change username on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.